Okay, well, I'm gonna keep an eye on the comments. So whatever the topic is, I'll carry on answering them as well. Mark, you are saying Google Analytics is a minefield. Yes, it is. It's too much data in there that you don't know what to look at, and then most people don't bother about Google Analytics. It's kind of like opening up the bonnet of your car. We don't know what we need. All I need to know is that dashboard. So what we do is we create these dashboards for our clients. So don't worry about what's under the bonnet. What is important to you, and that's all you need to worry about. So we set these up, all these goals, event tracking, conversions, audiences, and so on, and you're pretty much good to go. Because most of the websites, especially for small business owners, they're not massive, they're not big. So you don't need to look at all the things which Google Analytics offer, and you don't need to worry too much about that either. So this is why I would say we create a little dashboard which has got only the data which you need to worry about. Okay, Mark, I know what you mean. So what Mark is saying is people are searching for printers, and they mean HP desktop printer and not the traditional printers which you are. Exactly. So this is where you need to be very careful. So I would put in all the brand names like HP, Epson, Canon as negative keywords. So that will block out all those search terms, and you will not get your ads triggered by those search terms. And when you want to be found for something like print business card printer or leaflet printer, magazine printer, and those kind of searches, you don't want to be found for just printers. Or cartridges would be another good keyword for you, because a negative keyword for you, that is, because you don't sell cartridges. So this is what you need to keep on adding to the list. As you see in the search term query, all these search terms popping in, you keep taking them out.